Welcome sa zip9.com. Sa previous post, pinag-usapan natin yung dalawang sets na ito, yung the set xy, the ordered pair xy such that x is equal to -1 and the set v which is equal to the ordered pair xy such that y is equal to 3, no? Now, yung nakasanayan nating notation sa junior high school at sa high school, actually, sinasabi lang natin to na x equals -1 tsaka y equals 3, no? Now, mas kompleto ang notation na to kasi dito, ang alam natin na ordered pair, no? Yung ating x and y, where, for example, sa set V, x is varying at y ay constant na 3, no? Pag sinabi mo lang kasing x equals -1, pwede mo kasi sabihin na number lang yan. The value of x is equal to -1 but not the ordered pair. Pero dito, no, ang sinasabi talaga nito ay ordered pair, no? Of course, hindi natin to gagamitin sa buong course. We will probably switch to this later. As long as malinaw na ang ibig sabihin natin dito ay ito yung equation ng vertical line, for example, tsaka ito yung equation ng horizontal line. Now, tignan natin yung graph nung x equals -3. X equals -1 tsaka y equals 3. So, dito sa x equals -1, makikita natin na it's a vertical line, no? Vertical line siya na ang value ay x equals -1. So, ito yung x-axis natin, nakikita natin, this is -1. So, lahat ng -1, no? Ito yan, yung line na yan. So, for example, this is -1, 6. This is -1, 5. This is -1, -2. So, pag sinabi natin x equals -1, lahat ng coordinates na varying yung y niya, but the x is equal to -1. And as we can see, it's a vertical line. So, pwede nating sabihin that the graph of the equation x equals -1 is a vertical line. No? Yan yung isang yung isang characteristic niya. Now dito, kung mapapansin nyo dito, anong pass through siya dito sa x-axis, no? Nag-intersect. At ano yung point of intersection nila? Here, our x is -1. What is the value of our y? Tignan nyo yung value ng natin. Ng y. So, negative. This is 1, this is 0, and this is -1. So, this part here is, yung y natin ay 0. So, this is -1, 0. Excuse me. Now, so pwede natin sabihin that the graph of the equation x equals -1 is a vertical line passing through x natin is -1 and then yung y natin ay 0. No? So, ito yung intersection niya sa x-axis. And siguro pwede na natin kopyahin to and talk about the other given, the other equation. So the graph of the equation y equals 3 naman. Ano napapansin nyo? This is a horizontal line, no? This is a horizontal line, y equals 3. Oh, did I say y equals 3? Horizontal line naman kasi lahat ng value naman ng y niya ay 3. Pero yung x niya nagba-vary, no? So this is 3, 3. This is 1, 3. This is -4, 3. So ang nagba-vary naman yung x. So passing through, is it a vertical or horizontal line? It is a horizontal line. passing through 0. 0, 3, no? And in fact, if we can generalize this, no, paano kung ang x natin ay a, no? Is any number a. What if x is equal to any number a and y is any number b? No? Pwede natin siya i-generalize, no? We can just copy this and then palitan natin yung values. So pag x equals a, ano mangyayari? Saan siya magpa-pass through? The graph of the equation x equals a is a vertical line passing through, syempre a0, di ba? So whatever the value of a. So pag ang a mo ay 5, na x equals 5, magpa-pass through siya sa 5, 0. Pag ang x mo ay 100, 100, 0. Pag ang x mo ay negative 1,000, it's negative 1,000, 0. At the same time, y is equal to b, still a horizontal line passing through 0, b. No? So wala dapat palang ano to? Wala pala itong tuldok. Okay, so I think that's the generalization. No? The graph of the equation x equals a is a vertical line passing through a0, and the graph of the equation y equals b is a horizontal line passing through 0b. No? Medyo hindi natin na-discuss yung 0b, but the intersection actually is yung 0,3, for example, kanina sa unang ano natin dito, yun, sa unang sentence natin about the horizontal line. It's 0,3 kasi sa 3, yung y ang x natin. Titignan natin yung coordinate ng x is 0. And then 3. Okay, so I think that's it. Yan lang naman ang gusto natin ipakita dito sa video na to. Dapat ma-generalize natin kung ano ibig sabihin ng x equals a tsaka y equals b na equation. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.